Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet on PC. Google Meet is a video conferencing platform developed by the Google that allows you to create online meetings, join video calls, share screen, chat with participants and collaborate in real time. It is widely used for the online classes, businesses, meetings, remote work and group discussion. In this video tutorial I will show you everything you need to know about your Google Meet on PC, including open to start a meeting, to join a meeting, to schedule, all the icons and the buttons, chat, screen sharing, reactions and settings, tips for the better meeting. So let's get started. First, what you can do is open one of the web browser on your computer. You can use the browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, and in the address bar in the top, what you can do is type down meet.google.com. After that, you can enter press and you'll get into this interface. You'll arrive at the Google Meet homepage. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. If not, you will be asked to log in your Gmail email password. Once signed in, you will see this main screen dashboard. What you can do is to understand to the Google Meet home screen. On the main screen, you'll see the several options. This new meeting, there's a large button labeled new meeting. When you click on it, you will see the three options: create a meeting, start an instant meeting, schedule in the Google Calendar. In create a meeting, it generates a meeting link you can share, and start an instant meeting starts a meeting immediately, and in the schedule, it opens a Google Calendar to schedule a meeting. You can also enter a code or link box that's beside it. Next to this new meeting button, you will see a text box that says enter a code or link. You use this to join someone else's meeting. Just paste the meeting link and click to the join beside it. And to start your own meeting, what you can do is select to this new meeting here, start an instant meeting right over here. Your camera preview window will open. Before entering the meeting, you will see some controls over here. You can either use your microphone and camera, or you can continue without microphone and camera. You can select any of this as per your preference, as I'm going to select the second option here. And over here, this icon turns your webcam on and off. Camera on, other can see, camera off, your video is hidden. And in this microphone icon, this icon here controls your microphone. Mic on, others can hear you. Mic off, you are muted. And you can also join now or enter to a meeting. Once you enter, your meeting room is created here. And inside the meeting, the screen is divided into the several areas. In this main screen video, this is the largest part of the screen where you see your video or the participants. The layout automatically adjusts depending on how many people are in the meeting. And in the bottom control bar, which is very important, at the bottom center of the meeting screen, you will see the main controls icon. Here in the microphone icon, this button allows you to mute or unmute yourself. With this red microphone, if it turns on red, it is muted. If it turns on white, it is unmuted. Muting yourself helps reduce background noise. And in this video camera icon here, this icon controls your video camera. Turn camera on, participant can see you. Turn off, video stops. And in this end call over here, this is the leave meeting button. Clicking it will exit the meeting immediately. And in this captions right over here, CC, the icon enables live captions. Google Meet can automatically convert speech into real-time subtitles, which is useful for the accessibility and understanding. And if you want to raise your hand icon here, you can find to this button allows you to raise your hand digitally. It signals the meeting host you want to speak. And in this reactions icon over here, you can send a reaction. The reaction icon lets you send emojis like thumbs up, heart icon, clap and celebration. This reaction appear on the screen during the meeting. And the right hand side, we can find to this the chat icon here. This opens the in-meeting chat panel. Here you can send messages, share links, ask questions. Everyone in the meeting can see the messages. People icon in the top, this shows the participant list. Here you can see who joined the meeting, mute participants if you are the host, remove the participant as well, and invite more people. If you want to add more people, or you want to control it, you can do that as well. And if you want to see everyone in this call, you can select this, and you will also find to this add people button here. And at the bottom of the screen over here, we can find to this share screen sharing. One of the most useful feature in the Google Meet is the screen sharing. At the bottom of this, you will see this option here. This shares your whole desktop. Everything visible on the screen will be shared, and shares only one specific application window, example PowerPoint, browser the document. In the Chrome tab, best for the sharing videos or the website. It also allows you for the better audio sharing. Once selected, you can share your screen by selecting to this share here, and participants will now see your screen as well. And over here beside that, we can find to this three dot icon. Select to this three dot icon and you can go to this settings here. Over here, what you can do is you can choose your microphone here. You can choose your microphone speaker. This helps with sound issues as well. In this video here, you can select a camera, video resolution. Lower resolution helps if internet is slow. And you can also add your background blur here. You can find to this backgrounds and effect. You can turn on the virtual backgrounds lighting adjustment, and this makes your meeting look more professional. And when the meeting is finished, what you can do is you can click onto this red phone icon. This will leave the meeting if you are host, and you can also end the meeting for everyone. Over here on this icon here, which is the meeting tools. Meeting tools help you manage the meeting, communicate with participants and collaborate easily during a video call. These tools appear mainly at the bottom of the screen of the meeting screen. Over here, you can select the speech translation, immediate access, the timer as well, or the camera tool, record, transcribe, or the live streaming here. And over here in the speech translation or the timer tool, the speech translation or the timer tool helps manage speaking time and the language understanding during meetings. What this does is this tool can translate spoken language into another language in the real time, shows the translated caption for the participated who speak different languages. It also helps track the speaking time so meetings stay organized with this timer. When the feature is enabled, the system listens to the speaker's voice. It converts the speech into the text captions. It may translate the text into the selected language. Participant can read the translation directly on the screen, and it is useful because the feature is helpful for the international meeting, online classes, global teams, people who speak different languages. And in this add-on tools here, the add-on icon allows you to install or use the extra tool inside the Google Meet. Add-ons are the extensions or the integration that add more functionality to the meetings. They can include tools for the collaboration, teaching, productivity, note-taking. Some common add-ons may include digital whiteboards, meetings, note tools, classrooms, app, polling tools, workflow integration. And over here again in this three-dot icon, we can find to this adjust view. In this adjust view, the view option let you change how participants appear on your screen. Inside the setting, you may find layouts such as the auto, delete, spotlight, and sidebar. Here, Google Meet automatically arranges the participants' video in this auto. In this style view, shows all the participants in the equal size. In the spotlight here, it focuses on the main speaker of the presentation. In the sidebar here, displays the presentation large with the participants on the side. This tool helps you choose the best viewing style for the meeting, classes, or the presentation here as well. And in this full screen, the browser tabs taskbar enabled. The full screen option expand to the Google Meet to fill your entire computer screen. The meeting becomes larger and easier to see. It improves focus during presentation. To exit the full screen, you can usually press to this ESC on your keyboard. In this PIP, the picture-in-picture features allows the meeting video to appear in a small floating window. The window stays on top of the other program. For example, you can work in another application, read documents, browse the internet while still seeing the meeting video in the corner of your screen. Background and effects tool allows you to customize the video appearance. You can choose options such as blurring your background. You can select to this filters or the appearance as well. This helps make meetings more professional and visually appealing. And if you want to report a problem over here, we can find to this report a problem. This allows users to send feedback to the Google if something is not working correctly. You can select to this report a problem here, and you can select to this report an issue, and you can choose an option in which issue you are facing, and you can describe your issue as well. And if you have captured the screenshot of the issue, you can select to this here, and you can select this small icon here. You can send it to your Google as well. And again over here, when you go to the setting here, in this general, you'll find the general settings section in the Google Meet allows users to control how the meeting behaves, how notifications appears, and how privacy features work. These settings help make meetings more convenient, secure, and personalized. To access this setting, over here in this automatic picture-in-picture, this option allows Google Meet to automatically place the meeting video into a small floating window. When you switch to another browser, the app, or the application, what you can do is select to this, and you can select what you want. You can select when I switch tabs, only when I screen share, or always automatically show, and the meeting automatically continues in a small window. And over here on this send additional diagnostic info to Google, this setting allows Google Meet to send extra technical information to Google when problem occurs. The information may include the device performance data, network connection details, error log, and that is it. Google Meet on PC is a powerful and easy to use platform for the video meetings, online classes, and the collaboration. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.